Mistakes that make eggs harmful to your health. Eggs have long been praised as one of the most nutritious and versatile foods, offering high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and healthy fats. They are often considered a superfood, providing a wealth of nutrients in every serving. However, despite their numerous benefits, eggs can also become harmful to your health if they are not handled or cooked properly. The way you store, prepare, and cook eggs can significantly impact their nutritional profile, and unfortunately, many people make simple mistakes that can turn these healthy foods into health hazards. In this article, we'll uncover 5 common mistakes that people make with eggs and offer solutions to help you continue enjoying eggs safely. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll not only protect your health, but also maximize the nutritional benefits of this fantastic food. So, let's explore the 5 most harmful egg-related mistakes and learn how to handle them effectively. Mistakes 1. Overcooking eggs. The dangers of oxidized cholesterol. Overcooking eggs is a widespread mistake that many people make without realizing the potential harm it causes. When eggs are cooked at excessively high temperatures, the fats and cholesterol in the eggs can undergo oxidation, leading to the formation of harmful compounds like oxidized cholesterol. This process can lead to increased inflammation and contribute to the development of heart disease, particularly in seniors who are more vulnerable to inflammation-related conditions. The science behind oxidized cholesterol. Oxidized cholesterol is a dangerous substance because it is directly linked to the development of atherosclerosis, plaque buildup in the arteries, and increased cardiovascular risk. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that the intake of oxidized cholesterol increases the likelihood of arterial plaque formation, leading to the thickening and stiffening of arterial walls. Cohen et al., 2010. This oxidative damage not only affects cholesterol levels, but also contributes to chronic diseases such as heart disease and stroke. Additionally, overcooking eggs can destroy key nutrients. Eggs are rich in vitamins such as B12, folate, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are vital for brain and eye health. However, prolonged exposure to high heat significantly reduces the availability of these nutrients. A study by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that cooking eggs at high temperatures can lead to a significant loss of these beneficial antioxidants, which are critical for eye protection and cognitive function. Lee et al., 2014. How to avoid overcooking. To avoid the health risks associated with overcooked eggs, it's essential to cook them at lower temperatures. Soft scrambling, poaching, or lightly boiling eggs will help preserve their nutrients and minimize the formation of oxidized cholesterol. If you must fry eggs, use gentle heat and avoid overbrowning them. By making these small changes, you'll be able to enjoy eggs safely while still reaping their full nutritional benefits. Mistakes. 2. Eating raw or undercooked eggs. The risk of salmonella. Raw or undercooked eggs are often considered a healthy way to get the full nutritional value of eggs, but this practice comes with significant risks, especially for older adults. Consuming raw eggs can expose you to harmful bacteria such as Salmonella, which can cause severe food poisoning. Seniors, in particular, are at greater risk for infections because their immune systems tend to weaken with age, making it more difficult to fight off harmful bacteria. The dangers of Salmonella. Salmonella infections are a major concern when eating raw eggs. Salmonella bacteria can cause symptoms such as fever, stomach cramps, diarrhea, and dehydration. For seniors, these symptoms can be far more serious, leading to hospitalization and, in some cases, long-term health complications. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, Salmonella causes an estimated 1.35 million infections, 26,000 hospitalizations, and 420 deaths in the United States every year, with older adults being particularly vulnerable. Biotin deficiency from raw eggs. Another reason to avoid raw eggs is the presence of a compound called avidin. Avidin binds to biotin, an essential B vitamin that supports metabolism, nerve function, and skin and hair health. When eggs are consumed raw, avidin prevents the body from properly absorbing biotin, potentially leading to biotin deficiency over time. Cooking eggs deactivates avidin, allowing your body to absorb all the beneficial nutrients without interference. To reduce the risk of salmonella and biotin deficiency, it's important to always cook eggs thoroughly. Scrambled eggs, hard-boiled eggs, or poached eggs that are cooked until both the whites and yolks are firm are safe options. For those who enjoy runny yolks, pasteurized eggs are a safer alternative. Mistakes 3. Storing cooked eggs improperly. The risk of bacterial growth. Improper storage of cooked eggs is another common mistake that can turn a nutritious meal into a health hazard. Eggs that are left at room temperature for too long or not stored properly can quickly become unsafe to eat. Bacteria multiply rapidly in warm environments, and once eggs reach the danger zone, between 40 and 140 degrees, harmful pathogens such as Salmonella, Listeria, and E. coli can begin to grow. The importance of proper storage. Foodborne illnesses tend to have a more severe impact on older adults, as their immune systems are weaker. According to a study published in the Journal of Infectious Diseases, seniors are more likely to experience severe symptoms and complications from foodborne illnesses, such as dehydration and organ failure, which can lead to hospitalization and even death. To avoid foodborne illness, cooked eggs should always be stored in airtight containers and kept refrigerated. Hard-boiled eggs should be consumed within a week, while scrambled or fried eggs are best eaten within 3 to 4 days. Never leave cooked eggs at room temperature for more than 2 hours, and always store them in the coldest part of the refrigerator. Mistakes. 4. Using damaged or expired eggs. The risk of contamination. Using eggs that are cracked, expired, or improperly stored is one of the easiest ways to introduce harmful bacteria into your diet. While eggs may look fine on the outside, even a small crack in the shell can allow bacteria such as Salmonella to enter. This is especially concerning for seniors, whose immune systems are less effective at fighting off infections. The science of egg freshness. Eggs can spoil before their expiration date, depending on how they are stored. A simple water test can help determine if your eggs are fresh. Place an egg in a bowl of cold water. If it sinks and lays flat, it's fresh. If it stands upright, it's still safe to eat but should be used soon. And if it floats, it's best to discard it. Storing eggs in the coldest part of the refrigerator, not in the door, is also essential, as fluctuating temperatures can lead to condensation inside the egg, creating an ideal environment for bacteria growth. Mistakes. 5. Combining eggs with unhealthy cooking oils. The impact of trans fats. Another mistake people make when preparing eggs is using unhealthy cooking oils. While eggs themselves are a nutritious source of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins, the oil used to cook them can significantly affect their health benefits. Highly processed vegetable oils such as soybean, canola, and corn oil break down at high temperatures, producing harmful compounds like trans fats and oxidized lipids. The impact of trans fats and oxidized lipids. Trans fats are widely recognized as harmful fats that contribute to inflammation, heart disease, and cognitive decline. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that diets high in trans fats are linked to increased inflammation and an elevated risk of chronic diseases, such as cardiovascular disease and dementia. Mozaffarian et al., 2010. To avoid these harmful fats, it's important to use healthy oils that remain stable under heat. Olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado oil are excellent choices for cooking eggs. These fats not only enhance the flavor of your meal, but also provide essential nutrients that support brain health and heart function. By making simple changes to how you handle, cook, and store eggs, you can continue to enjoy this nutritious food without the hidden health risks. Remember to avoid overcooking eggs. Always cook them thoroughly to reduce the risk of salmonella, store them properly, and check for freshness before use. Additionally, choose healthy oils that support your health instead of processed vegetable oils that can contribute to inflammation. Eggs are a wonderful addition to a healthy diet, but the way you prepare and consume them matters. By being mindful of these common mistakes, you can ensure that your eggs remain a health-boosting food and continue to provide all the nutrients your body needs. Thank you for reading, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you made any of these common mistakes when preparing eggs? How do you plan to adjust your habits moving forward? Leave a comment below and share your experience.